Hey, today I want to show y'all this wireless doorbell set. I will upload the links below, that way you can purchase your own. Now this wireless set does come with two receivers, so you can put one on the front door, one on the back door. And then you have this that plugs into the wall. Now there is a lot of different sounds. I'll show you a few. And then these also light up. And you can program each one of these to have a different sound. So this is the second one. And it does come with the equipment to place on the wall. And you simply just plug it in and you're ready to go. If you would like to purchase your own, just visit the links below. Thanks for watching.